Question 1, page 107. What is the nature of the distance time graph for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object? For uniform motion, usually the distances are equal in equal intervals of time. Therefore, it is a straight line. The graph is a straight line for uniform motion. And remember, this is dt graph, distance time graph. Once again, time is always on the x-axis. And for non-uniform motion, the graph will be a curve because distances would be different for different intervals of time. There is no fixed distance coverage in this case. Now let me explain this. As you can see, there is an equal distance coverage for equal intervals of time, and therefore velocity everywhere is 5 meters per second at every point of time during the journey. So velocity is constant, therefore no change in velocity, therefore acceleration is 0 for a dt graph with uniform motion. This is most important, children. This is very important point. As you can see, if I take this as initial velocity u and this is my final velocity, acceleration by definition is change of velocity with time, and 10 minus 10 is 0 irrespective of the time. Therefore acceleration is 0 when the velocity is constant, and you have to absolutely remember this point that a is 0 for this graph. And see, the interpretation for this graph, it is random motion. The coverage of distances are varying significantly even though time interval is same, or even if time interval is varying. This is a non-uniform motion. If you start from home, you cannot go with this kind of movement. You will always put your brakes. You have to move faster in some places and slower in some places, and this is how you move while you are going in a traffic scenario. And therefore you always give the accelerator to the bike, and therefore since velocity is varying, there is a change in the velocity with time, and therefore acceleration exists in non-uniform motion. So in this category, acceleration exists. It either increases, which is acceleration positive, or decreases, which is acceleration negative. This is called retardation. This is increase of speed, and this is decrease of speed or coming to rest by applying of brakes.